They want you soft, obedient, distracted, fat, addicted, and smiling. You were born a lion, but they caged you in comfort. Now you're dying, not violently, but slowly, quietly, with a phone in your hand and a fire in your chest that never gets fed. This is not how men were meant to live. Comfort is the enemy, the slow, silent killer of strength. Every generation before you was forged in fire. You were raised on Wi-Fi, on convenience, on comfort. You wake up warm, safe, distracted. You check your phone before your pulse, and you wonder why you feel empty. In America, comfort is everywhere. But strength? That's disappearing. The average man is weaker than his grandfather. Mentally, physically, spiritually. He scrolls, consumes, and complains, but he doesn't build, he doesn't lead, he doesn't endure. Why? Because comfort has replaced purpose. Dopamine has replaced discipline. They told you not to chase greatness. They said masculinity is dangerous. They sold you softness and called it self-care, and you believed it. Now look around. Obesity is normal. Addiction is common. Loneliness is a crisis. But everyone keeps smiling for the camera. This is the age of illusion, where everyone is everything, but nothing. And the worst part, most men feel it. They know something's wrong. They just don't know what to do about it. The answer isn't more motivation. It's not another feel-good speech. It's not a shortcut. It's not a hack. It's this. Suffer voluntarily, deliberately, daily, because suffering is the forge. It's how men were made. It's how they still are. The gym, the cold shower, the hard book, the brutal honesty, the early morning. These are not trends. They are weapons. Sharpen them. Use them. Marcus Aurelius buried his children and ran an empire. He didn't tweet about his grief. He wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Epictetus was a slave, beaten, broken. He said, "Suffering arises from trying to control what is uncontrollable." Seneca was forced to take his own life. He drank poison and said, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it." These men knew pain, but they didn't let it define them. They used it. And you can too. Dark Stoicism is not about hiding emotion. It's about owning it, controlling it, channeling it. It's not about looking tough. It's about being tough. When it counts, when no one's watching, when it hurts. Dark Stoicism is about making the choice to do the hard thing every day, especially when you don't want to. When you feel tired, work. When you feel afraid, act. When you feel lazy, move. When you feel hopeless, fight. Because no one is coming to save you. Not the government, not society, not your friends, not your parents. You, only you. The path forward is simple, not easy, but simple. Step 1, take full responsibility. No more blame, no more victimhood. Step 2, choose your pain, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. One hurts now, the other hurts forever. Step 3, do it every day. No breaks, no excuses, no compromises. Wake up early, train your body. Control your thoughts, guard your time, speak less, do more. Expect nothing, endure everything. Build a life so strong it doesn't need validation. Be so grounded that chaos can't move you, and when life breaks you, and it will, let it sharpen you, not shatter you. Because here's the truth no one tells you. Comfort is a trap. It feels good now, but it costs you everything later. Discomfort is the door to strength, to clarity, to peace. Every push-up, every cold morning, every hard conversation, every moment of pain is you getting stronger. So if you're hearing this, stop scrolling, stand up, drop down, Push-ups. Now, then go write your plan. Read a real book. Delete the distractions. Tell the truth. Look your demons in the eye and keep going every damn day. You were not born to be soft. You were not born to be average. You were not born to be comfortable. You were born to struggle, to rise, to conquer, to lead. This is the way. This is the work. This is the war. And comfort is the enemy.